はい、Okayamaに行きます。
はい。
はい。
Good luck.
はい、気をつけて。
はい。
Give me my camera back. We're going to go to an area called Hokancho. I've been there once before, but haven't really done an in-depth video about it. It's an open air but enclosed shopping arcade, and they're typical of Japan in every city. Rice fields, more rice fields, rice fields, rice fields. This is the red chili. Really good. So good. So delicious.
I can't believe I ate that whole thing.
You ate it, Ralph.
What do we got here? Smash. Crab. Looks god awful. And then see how the macaroons, McDonald's macaroons, see how they do it their own way? See this building? This building was built in a matter of months. Like I'm talking less than 6 months it was built. The site was a whole. That's how fast they build in Japan. It's incredible. I've been here. It's a Thai takeout place. It says takeout. Just, you know, total DIY. Love it. See the Thai post box. I like this. My friend Harry will like that. Who knows? Free Wi-Fi. It's always a good thing. And that's Hokancho. I don't know if we're going to do all of it, but we're going to do some of it. Just a shop from what they call the Showa period. Clothes. Bakery. Kimamura. Looks like a nice place. They always have these cute stuff. People make handicrafts and sell them. A lot of businesses are out of business. Yummy coffee. Used clothing. Babylon. And next door, a candle shop. Handmade. La Luce Dolce. Let's see what we got here. Wow. Nice handicrafts. Nice, huh? Made of wax. Onsaya Coffee. Coffee from Rwanda and Yemen, among other places. Big upstairs drinking area. I'll probably come back here and recharge my battery a little bit later. I love the storefront. I don't know what it is, but I just love that chalk. That white chalk on that matte black finish background. It's beautiful. Really sensitive. I like it. I like this place. Sweet potatoes and a kind of a fritter. See that? 300 yen each. That's a good deal. Delicious and sweet. Love this. Fried chicken, salmon, fish, egg, little bentos. Good prices, 300 yen. Okay. Don't ask. I don't know. Swastika. See the shop? This hat shop? This has been here forever. And to give you a good taste of what Hokancho is about, here is another shop that just opened up. Hasn't been here that long. Here's some of the music. I don't know what country that's from. It's probably used clothing. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, look at that. That's great, huh? I love this stuff. This guy sells only, he's got a lot of film memorabilia. I can do a whole video on this guy. Look at that projector. Look at that. Bet you want to go through that stuff. I will later, my battery will allow. Look at that Steve McQueen. Thomas Crown Affair. Yo. That is so cool. But that's not the reason why we're here. That guy looks very cool. Programs, you know, in Japan they hand out, in movie theaters, they handed out programs at movies. This is a architect and designer. Look at this. Isn't that cool? All the way up to the top. Here's his books. Get a little close. See those graphic design books? Yeah, pretty cool, huh? This place, is this not a cool facade? Harmonica school. You know? Harmonica school. Is that not cool? The schedule. Mrs. Rice will have to explain this to me because I am just not that savvy. Could be a club. She'll tell me. Madam Rice is always good in a pinch. Foreign survival. And this is a Yakiniku place. This is pretty new. Pretty new. Haven't been there. But we just had Yakiniku. Oh, look at this. This is new. Oh, yeah. Check this out. I don't think they're open. That's okay. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful view? Isn't that just great? It's just so charming living here. I just love Hokancho. Just do. Hope this is a good video. Look at that. This is Satellite. This place reminds me of Park Life in San Francisco. Art bookstore. I'm not gonna go inside. But, you know, a little gallery there. Guess those are record albums. Diversifying. I'll come back. It's so charming. This place was teeming once. It'll come back. Organic vegetables. Gardening supplies. In the middle of the city. Looks like some event is happening here. Oh, maybe this is it. Oh, they queue up for this ramen place. It's some trendy new ramen place. Isn't this great? Kizuna. That's what this is all about. Ramen. For the young people. I don't know how many videos this is going to be. Maybe one. Maybe two. Just have to see. Just kind of taking in what it looks like when you're walking on the street in Okayama. Indian restaurant. I've never been here. Big thing in Japan is the set menus. Look at that. Prices are rising. See? They've had to raise their prices. Everything is going up price-wise in Japan. So Mrs. Rice is waiting. I'm sure there's a delicious dinner waiting for me. She's a fantastic cook. And I'm going to go home and edit. And like I said, I don't know if this is going to be one video or two videos or three videos, but damn, I got some good footage today. And I really am liking this, you know? You know, there are different ways to spend your retirement. And somehow, I think a lot of culminating things in my life have brought me to this. You know, I never thought I would enjoy turning the camera on myself, but damn, I like it. Up the escalator. Oops. Excusez-moi. Day is done. My work done.